Hey, are you willing to download Capcut on your PC and don't know how to do that? In this video, I will show you two methods where you can download Capcut on your PC and use it offline, and for the second method, I will show you how to use Capcut in browser. So let's get started. First of all, click on search bar and then write Microsoft Store in search bar. I have already available here. Click on it. Now click on search bar and write Capcut. Click on the Capcut. You can see it has already been installed. You can install it from here. After installing, you can use it offline as well. For the second method, click on any browser. Now write Capcut in search bar. Click on the first link available. Now click on Try Capcut Online. Create an account. I will be using Google for that. Click on Continue. After creating an account, you can use Capcut Online. And you will be able to access all the features of Capcut with online version as well. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.